When it comes to fitness, we often focus on the importance of exercise and pushing ourselves to reach our goals. However, rest days are equally crucial to our progress and overall well being. So, what are rest days? Rest days are days when you avoid any strenuous physical activity, allowing your body to recover from the stress of exercise. This doesn't mean that you should spend the day lounging on the couch, but rather engage in light activities like stretching, yoga, or even just a simple little walk. Rest days are important for a number of reasons. One is muscle recovery. Exercise causes micro tears in your muscles, which need time to repair and rebuild. Rest days allow your muscles to recover, making them stronger and more resilient. Also, avoiding injury. Ignoring rest days can lead to overtraining and increasing the risk of injury. By allowing your body time to recover, you reduce the likelihood of injury and can continue your fitness journey without setbacks. Improved performance. Rest days can actually improve your performance. By allowing your body time to recover, you'll come back stronger and more focused, leading to better results in your workouts. Mental health. This is a big one. Rest days are very essential for mental health. Exercise can be mentally taxing, and rest days provide a much needed break from the pressure to overperform. Overtraining and that pressure, that whole no excuses mentality in diet culture is what leads to burnout and makes people hate exercise and give up so quickly. So there's a number of ways you can incorporate rest days into your routine. Schedule them in. Treat rest days as non-negotiable appointments with yourself. Listen to your body. If you're feeling fatigued or sore, take an extra rest day. Pay no attention to those memes and people with their fist punching in the air and saying, suck it up, you can do it. We have to get rid of that mentality to encourage consistency. Stay active. Engage in light activities like yoga, walk, anything like that to maintain flexibility and circulation. Swimming is another good one. Prioritize your sleep. Adequate sleep is crucial for recovery, so make sure that you're getting enough restful sleep each night. Rest days are not a luxury, but a necessity in any fitness routine. And by incorporating rest days into your schedule, you will allow your body to recover, improve your performance, and maintain your mental health. Remember that rest is not a sign of weakness, but a sign of strength and dedication to your overall program and your well-being. If you would like to get in touch or check out any of our current offerings, you can visit our website at beamehealth.ca, or you can email us at hello@beamehealth.ca. Thanks for watching and have a great day.